Let's look at this question. ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with center O where angle BAD is 90 degree. If angle COD is equal to 120 degree and length of CD is 10 root 3 centimeter, then the length of BC in centimeter is. Okay, so we have a circle, and inside this circle we have to draw a triangle, right? Sorry, quadrilateral. So we are given one of the angles of this quadrilateral as 90 degree. So I am trying to make this angle as 90 degrees. So this is BAD. So this is BAD because angle BAD is given as 90 degree. So we can fairly assume that this diagonal BD would be the diameter of this circle, because angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree, right? So if we join these two sides, these 2 points, so this line will pass through the center of circle, right? So this is BD diagonal. Okay. Now angle COD. So C is somewhere here, and angle it is when C is joined to the center, and this line OD, COD is making an angle of 120 degree, making an angle of 120 degree. So I can assume it to be, let's say, I can have, let's see if I have this here. Let's see. So this would be COD. This is vertex C, and this is O, and this is D. So this angle is given as 120 degree. This angle is given as 120 degree. So this is the precise uh, mm, diagram for the question, right? So we are given the length of CD also. So let's just make this line CD. Let's just join these 2 points to make this line CD. So this is also given, and CD is given as 10 root 3. So CD would be a chord to this circle, right? And if we join BC, can you see this angle BCD would also be 90 degree, because this triangle BCD has its hypotenuse as the diameter of this circle, and it is making an angle, right? Or it's a triangle in a semicircle having its hypotenuse on the diameter of this circle. So this angle would be 90 degree. Now, if this angle is 90 degree, can you see if I draw a perpendicular from the center to this chord, if I draw the perpendicular from the center to this chord, this angle would be 90 degree, and this because this angle and this angle, sorry, these two sides are equal because these are radius, so these two angles are equal, and this is 90, this is also 90, so this angle must be equal to this angle. So it would be 60, 90 and a 30 triangle, right? Now I know perpendicular line from the center bisects the chord, right? So chord length is given as 10 root 3. So I can write it as 5 root 3, or let's assume this point to be, let's say, P, right? So PD is 5 root 3 and CP is also 5 root 3, correct? In this triangle OPD, can we see this is 60 degree? This is O, this is P, and this is D. This is 90 degree and this is 30 degree. I know for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the ratio of sides opposite to them would be 1 is to root 3 is to 2, right? So the side opposite to 60 degrees 5 root 3, which means this has become 5 root 3, which means you have multiplied it with 5. So side opposite to 30 would become 5 and side opposite to 90 would become 10. So we have this OD as 10. OD and OB are equal because these are radius. So OB becomes 20, right? And we have this side CD 10 root 3. Now I can find the value of BC by using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle BCD because it's a right angle triangle. Or you can use 30, 60, 90 in this triangle also. This angle is 30, this is 90, so this must be 60 degrees. And side opposite to 60 is given as 10 root 3, right? So side opposite to 30 degree, side opposite to 30 degree would be 10, right? So BC is equal to 10. Correct answer is option B. Or you could also solve this by using Pythagoras theorem. From that, BD square would be equal to BC square plus CD square, right? BC square is 100, BC square. We have to find out CD square is, okay, so this is, sorry, 20 square is 400 and this is 300. So we get BC square as 100 and the value of BC is coming out to be 10. So correct answer is option B.